Got an SDT diagram file created in SmartDraw and need to view or edit it? This contains vector drawings, flowcharts, or business diagrams. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these SmartDraw drawing files. Pro tip: for SDT files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. Users encounter SDT files when creating or receiving diagrams, flowcharts, floor plans, or other visual documents from SmartDraw. The primary user intent is to open, view, and edit these complex drawings, often for business, technical, or educational purposes, requiring the specific SmartDraw software. The SDT format is a proprietary binary container. It stores vector graphics data, text, and object properties in a structured manner optimized for the SmartDraw application. This design allows for complex relationships between objects, layers, and smart formatting rules, which would be difficult to manage in a simple text-based format. The recommended application from SmartDraw LLC for handling SDT is unequivocally SmartDraw. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows recognizes a few vector formats, but full control comes from vector editing software. Your quick fix starts here. Right-click the SDT file and choose Open With. If SmartDraw is installed, test it immediately. If not, select a different option. Multiple attempts are common. If you are still having trouble opening the SDT file, do not worry. Since this SDT format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, opening in SmartDraw. Install SmartDraw from smartdraw.com and double-click the SDT file to open in the application. SmartDraw displays the diagram with full editing capabilities, allowing shape modification, text editing, connector adjustments, and formatting changes. Save back to SDT or export to other formats. Next, using SmartDraw Online. SmartDraw offers a web-based version at app.smartdraw.com where you can upload SDT files for editing in any modern browser. Sign in with your SmartDraw account and use the import or open feature to load the file. The cloud version provides full editing capabilities without local installation. Finally, exporting to standard formats. With the SDT file open in SmartDraw, use File then export to save as PDF, PNG, JPEG, SVG, or Microsoft Visio VSDX format. This enables sharing with users who don't have SmartDraw installed and integration with documentation workflows. Choose format based on intended use, whether print web or further editing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.